All right, hello everyone, and it's been a while since we've actually analyzed some really good stocks for our swing trades. The first one we have today is Asian Paints. It's the 28th of December, and I think the entry is going to be on the 29th tomorrow. Asian Paints has come up in our scanner for a long-term holding position. Let's just analyze and see what this is showing us. So our execution is going to be on our daily time frame. We're going to be analyzing on the daily, weekly, and the monthly time frame, starting with the monthly time frame, going top down. This is a bullish stock. That means we're going to be looking for a buying opportunity here. And what is the price and what are the stop losses and targets we're going to discuss in this analysis. So let's get started on the monthly time frame. We're looking at the whether this stock is bullish or bearish, and I think Asian Paints has been consistently bullish. It's a good stock to pick up. In fact, at any level, it would be a good one. But on the monthly time frame right now, what we're seeing here is, and yeah, currently it's trading at 3,368.2. You see that there was a pullback in the month of September, October. October made some good lows. There was a good correction, and the price cutting through the 8-period moving average on the monthly time frame. And then we didn't see quite as good volumes in the month of November, but the entire month of December, after taking a rejection again at the 8 EMA, has come back up. So far, managing to close just above the high of this entire pullback, right? And we might be able to consider this the month of September and October candles as a ring low pattern. So this is something that we need to look out for. In fact, we've got only 2 days for the end of the month, and I think this is something that will hopefully close above the previous high, the high of the month of October. On the monthly time frame, it's looking quite bullish. Of course, it has been completely bullish all the time. And also, at the end of the video, we're also going to be analyzing some of the previous trades that were taken on this strategy. On the weekly time frame, you will see that there has been some consolidation here for a couple of weeks, and immediately after that we see that there was a ring low that was formed in the last 2 weeks, and this week there has been a close above the high of the previous week. This is a good signal. It looks like a good pullback failure, and we might be able to see some really good moves. And I'm just going to right now plot some supports and resistance, some important support and resistance levels, even on the weekly time frame, to see where exactly it's taking the support. Just very quickly on the 50 EMA, I think it is taking 50 EMA is providing support, but on the weekly time frame, between 20 to 50 EMA is a good support area. So I don't think the price should be going down anytime towards the 50 EMA. It is moving away. On the daily time frame, when we come on the daily time frame, we will see that we have just received, in fact, on the daily time frame, we saw the bullish crossover. After the bullish crossover, we allowed the prices to go up, and there was a ring low pattern that was formed, and we were waiting for a close above the high of this ring low pattern. That is the close on the 22nd of December. In fact, our entry should have been around these levels at around 3,280. I don't know why this didn't come up in our scanner, or if we've missed it, or for whatever reason we didn't get this trade. Let's see. I think, yeah, maybe because the weekly wasn't as bullish, but that's not a problem. We've now got a very strong confirmation of a bullish trend after many days of consolidation here, right? It has broken not just so. If you see this, the price has taken a good support on the 50 EMA. And reacted from the 50 EMA the same day and closed above, closed bullish. The next candle has also given a confirmation that this stock is quite bullish and in the ongoing direction. Yesterday we saw a good rejection, and today from the 20 EMA, and the prices have just for the entire day we saw Asian Paints going up. Now, is there anything else that we need to check? I don't think so, because this is something that has, in fact, there is some pattern that it has made and broken. I don't want to talk about that breakout, but only thing that we'll need to know is that right now this, in fact, the 50 EMA is above, the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA. There was a cross on the 13th of December, and ever since then the prices have been averaging up really well. So far, after a bearish phase two, this stock has taken a good momentum today, and I think it has broken the entire month's high. So not just this, even the last month's high. Yes, on the monthly time frame, something that we would want to look out for is that it has broken the last month's high. Yes, I think we spoke about this. Yeah, I think this is it's very straightforward. We just want to be able to see what the stop loss and targets are, and where the entry would be. The entry would definitely be at the at market around 3,368.70 levels. Where will we place our stop loss? Our SL long on the trading toolkit will give us the stop loss. Of course, this is quite deep, but I think Asian Paints has the kind of momentum to be able to capture this kind of a gain. On the on a 1:1, this is quite a high target, but I think we should be able to achieve this. Not bad. It's 6.3%. Now, there's something that we've rolled out recently, right? And this is the swing trades validator indicator. You will be able to find this in the indicators section. It's an open script, so anybody can find it. Swing trades validator, what we're looking for here is to be able to validate our trade idea or the setup on the basis of certain historical trades that were taken on the same setup, right? So what do I mean by that? Now I just want to see that my stop loss right now is 6.39%, and the target is 6.39%, right, for a 1:1. So entry being at 6639 levels, and the stop loss at 3152.75, and target at 3583.05. This is the first target for Asian Paints, and this is a holding period of a couple of months. Now, you might want to, if you're looking for an options trade, I think a February expiry on a good strike price will also be able to get you some good returns. But this is a disclaimer. This is not trading advice. This is purely, we're creating these videos and doing this analysis on the basis of one strategy that we've been working on for a really long time now, and very specifically has been created for our bootcamp participants. You will be able to, of course, find most of these trade ideas on our Telegram channel that is linked to this YouTube account. But yeah, let's try to validate this trade on the basis of the historical trades that were taken with similar stop loss and target levels, right? So all I'm just doing is here I'm entering my stop loss percentage to let's say 6.4%. And my profit percentage also to 6.4%. Now, what we want to see is what is the probability that this kind of a setup, whenever it had occurred in the past, has it given us the right kind of a reward as compared to the risk that we've taken, right? Now, out of the 61 trades historically that were taken on this setup, 78% of the trades were actually profitable. That means we were able to manage a 6.39% profit. Now let's look at some of the trades that were taken on this setup, right? Sorry. List of trades. This is dating back to 2002. Let's look at some of the more recent trades that were taken on this, right? on this basis. On the 16th of June, 16th of June, there was a trade that was taken. This was a long setup where we had the same a similar entry mechanism, and we had entered at 3030. Let's see if this trade ended up in a profit. Yes, now this trade has ended in a profit, but it has taken many days for this trade to end up in a profit. Now, the idea is that whenever you take a trade at a fresh bullish crossover, there are higher chances that your trading duration, the duration in the trade itself, will be quite low. That means you're going to be able to achieve those profit targets much faster. Now, we're going to take one more trade before this, which was on the 7th of April 2021. 7th of April, and it went on to up until 15th of May, but it did give us that same profit target, right? Now we'll see one more trade. We entered at this point, exited with a 6.4% profit, has not hit stop loss, right? Now we have one more trade. This one has hit stop loss. Of course, we always, we're always factoring in these, loss-making trades as well. But there must have been a reason why we would have not taken this, because I don't think there would have been any reason. I think this trade would have been taken, but I think our stop loss would have been hit. Let's see. Yeah, we would have taken this trade, and of course the stop loss would have been hit on this. Let's see another trade. This was here, this one here. So on the 10th of October 2019, we remained in the trade, although the prices went down, but it did not touch a 6.4% stop loss, and hence, after a while, with a lot of patience, we were able to and exit this trade with a profit, right? There was another trade that was taken here. This was fresh after the cross above the 200 period moving average on the daily time frame, and then there was a bullish crossover, and then a pullback failure. It did not reach 6.4% down. Instead, after some time, it has given us a 6.4% profit. Of course, these are all the trades that were taken on this particular strategy. The summary, just to sum it up, if there were 61 trades that were taken on this setup, 48 trades were winning trades and 13 trades were losing trades. So definitely, I think you can do the math and see that this has definitely given us a net profit on every single trade if we had taken this trade, right? And this is just a validation for what may happen with this particular trade that we're going to enter into. So having said this, 78% probability looks very good to us, and I think we are going to definitely take this trade up. Entry again 3,368, 369, stop loss at 3,152.75, and profit target at 3,583.05. I think we should be able to hit this target. Now, how much patience should you have for this trade? This is something that maybe the validator will help you with. If you see average number of bars in the trade, we're usually in the trade for around 17 bars. That's maybe up to 20, 25, 30 days. The average number of bars in the winning trade, you need to have a little more patience when you want to achieve the reward, and this should be around 18 bars. That is 18 trading sessions. Now, if you say we have 5 trading sessions in a week, we should be able to see a 3 to 4 week duration for us to stay in this trade to be able to see that the 6.4% profit being hit, right? The 1:1. Average number of bars in the losing trades, it's much faster, right? If you're losing, I think within 13 trading sessions, you'll be able to, on average, you'll be able to see that it has hit a stop loss. So how much time you can wait for this trade to work out? Now you know. At least a minimum of 3 weeks is a given, but anything above that is also possible, right? So yeah, all the best, and I think we should be able to take this up. This is a good looking trade, and we should be able to hit our target profit within 3 weeks or up to 4 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. If you still haven't subscribed, please do, because I'm very sure that you're going to find value in what in the analysis that we're doing. Please look at all of the other videos that we've and, the other stocks that we've analyzed. Some very good results, and of course some of them have also hit stop loss. Nothing unique, nothing different. It happens in trading that we're looking to find such profitable trades for you. And yeah, thank you so much, and we'll come back with another video.